Welcome to Magic Minds Preschool, where every child's journey of discovery begins. Since its inception, Magic Minds has been committed to providing a holistic education that lays a strong foundation for the leaders of tomorrow. At Magic Minds, we understand that education is more than just academics. It's about nourishing young minds and hearts.
2016 we have started Magic Minds Preschool with the 11 students only, and today we reached up to the 200 students with the 15 staff members, because we work with our mission, and our mission is to emphasize the social development, emotional intelligence and love for the Vedic learning. We are creating the foundation for the future, tomorrow's academic and personal success.
With 24-hour CCTV surveillance, our spacious indoor and outdoor environments are designed to stimulate exploration and creativity among students. Each morning, our students engage in the rich culture and spiritual heritage of India, chanting Sanskrit shlokas from ancient scriptures like the Bhagavad Gita and Ram Raksha. This fosters a sense of connection to our roots and instills value of compassion, resilience and gratitude in our students.
My child was learning in playgroup and he was initially very shy. But since he has joined the school, he has become open to speak outside.
My kid not only good in academics, but she good in shloks and other activities like sports, dance.
The school has taught the good habits to the kids, like self-eating and washing hands before the meals, which the child also practices at home. Also the good manners like saying please, thank you, sorry, which are helping them to develop overall.
वातावरण जे आहे शाळेचं की तिथे प्लेफुल वातावरण आहे, मुलांवर बर्डन नसतं कसलं, मुलं आनंदाने शाळेत जातात, येताना सुद्धा आनंदाने येतात, होमवर्क सुद्धा स्वतःहून करतात, रागवणं न करताही त्यांच्याकडून अभ्यास करून घेणे ही स्किल या शाळेवाल्यांची आहे.
Our curriculum is tailored to the unique need and interest of the young children, focusing on social, emotional, cognitive and physical development through play-based learning. We prioritize the holistic development of our students, including the refinement of the fine motor and gross motor skills through engaging activities and tailored programs. Qualified teachers ensure that each child receives personalized attention, nurturing their curiosity and encouraging them to reach their full potential. Our teachers use different activities and methods while explaining new topics for easy learning and active participation of the children. We also encourage parents to participate in various activities with their children, fostering a strong bond between home and school through mom-child picnics. Garba dance. At Magic Mind Preschool, we celebrate diversity and culture through a function of festivities. From Color Day to Christmas, Diwali, Geeta Jayanti, Sankranti and many more. Our students immerse themselves in the joy of learning about different traditions and customs amidst all the enjoyment. Extracurricular activities plays a vital role in enriching the learning experience at Magic Minds. We have introduced French language and abacus to our senior KG students to enhance their knowledge. Special dance and sports teachers are available at the school all year to help students excel beyond academics. Our Sports Day provides a great opportunity for all our students to display their physical capabilities and nurture their interest in sporting events. Our grand annual celebration is a spectacle to be witnessed. All our young superstars display their talents on the stage, thus ridding them from any stage fear and boosting their confidence. Our annual health checkup ensures that students' physical well-being is also being taken care of. Magic Minds Preschool is more than just a school. It's a place where dreams take flight and future are shaped. Together, let's embark on the journey of discovery, growth and endless possibilities. Because at Magic Minds, the magic of learning never ends. For details and admissions, visit us. Magic Mind Preschool, opposite Trikoni Garden, Kathe Lane, Dwarka, Nashik, or call on 82755 84259. Magic Minds Preschool. We love, we care, we develop.